guys, I thought I'd just pop on and do a quick video. So our weather's starting to get a little frightful, and my boots of course are delightful. So I'm going to go and do a little bit of Christmas shopping in my in our Urban Rustic Aggressive Tread boots, which is the we've got the more sleek heel, and so these are the Urban Rustic thin black heels. And I got to go get some last minute Christmas shopping done, and I know that it's supposed to turn icy and slushy, so I thought these would be probably my better choice today. So anyway, I am wearing this really cute jean jacket. It's got a little fur collar and my purple top and my gloves to keep me nice and warm. So anyway, please remember that we are Leviticus Fashions. A portion of our proceeds goes to help women and children get out of human trafficking. And I hope you guys have a blessed day. I will talk to you later. Bye-bye.